Homemade cough and lung inflammation recipe, more powerful than any cough syrup and faster acting. When it comes to treating cough, most people rely on the prescribed medications. They contain DXM, dextromethorphan, an active compound which has been found in medications for a cough. DXM is extremely dangerous and can be fatal for both younger adults and children. You should be aware of the fact that 10% of the children worldwide don't have the proper amount of enzymes in the body needed for metabolizing the DXM. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration claims that infants and children under the age of 2 should not use prescribed medications for treating coughs and colds because they can cause side effects and lead to further health complications. So, if you are having a cough or a lung inflammation, forget about the prescribed medications because they can be harmful to your health. Instead, try to solve your problems in a natural way. For that purpose, we have an incredible natural recipe that is even more effective than the prescribed syrup or medication. This powerful remedy includes the use of simple ingredients, including thyme, cloves, honey, and turmeric. All of these ingredients have potent properties and can fight lung inflammation, congestion, and cough. Thyme relaxes the muscles of the bronchi and trachea, while ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that has some expectorant action. Check out the recipe below. Needed ingredients: 2 teaspoons of raw honey, 1/3 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger root, fresh grated, 1 green tea bag, juice of half a lemon or 1 drop of lemon essential oil. Directions: bring a large cup of water to a boil. Add the herbs and the tea bag and boil them for a couple of minutes. Strain it and honey and lemon to taste.